Layton won a Pepsi Peeps, so we're gonna do a Pepsi Peeps unboxing, okay? Pepsi was giving these away, and we are one of the lucky few that got one. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Oh, it's like a whole bunch of them.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Really?
Hold it up.
And the cans.
Blue can, pink can.
One blew up.
Oh, that
Blew up.
sucks. One kind of popped a little bit, so.
It's
One
alright.
blew up, and then food.
No, those are the Peeps.
Those are the bunnies.
Oh!
Peeps bunnies, yep. Cool.
And the bunnies.
Even says gluten-free right on them, so you could have them.
Oh, good.
Nice.
Oh, this can blew up
Oh
too.
no, we got two blown cans. Oh, that sucks.
No.
Uh-oh.
Oh well, that's what happens in shipping. It probably got too cold, or
No, it's from under there.
let's see. I don't know if there's anything else under there. I think it's just.
Holy crap, they packed a big box of nothing.
Yeah, well they wanted to make sure.
Well,
Oh,
yeah, this is a big box of nothing.
that's okay. Just hold up the box one more time, just so we can see the Pepsi Peeps box. Okay, we got Pepsi Peeps, and let's get a close up of the cans. There you go. There's pink. There's blue. And there's yellow, but the cans ended up getting exploded a little bit, the pink and the yellow. That sucks. I think they're all the same flavor, just different color cans. And here's the Peeps. There you go. There's Layton's Pepsi Peeps unboxing video.